Today, I'm going to attempt to change the water pump on my New York taxi. I have a new water pump, never done this before, so could be worth a laugh. First thing I need to do is drain the coolant from the system. Really easy way to do that. Underneath the radiator on the driver's side is a wing nut that if you undo, it will drain the coolant out from the bottom of the radiator from a little tube. Now, I would try and show you. Unfortunately, I can't get the camera under there and me under there. So we'll get that drained out and then we'll move on to the next job. Coolant's been drained. You probably won't be able to see. This is the pulley, which has got 4 10mm bolts on it, which I've now got to take off. Pulley's off. Now I've got to get the pump out. 4 13mm. While I'm undoing those bolts, now would be a great time to ask you to subscribe to the channel. 95.3% of you, unfortunately, are not subscribed, which means you're missing out. It doesn't cost a penny, and you can change your mind at any time, but it really supports the channel. Thank you. As it turns out, these bolts were a lot tighter than what I first thought. I had to swap my electric ratchet for a standard ratchet until I could crack the heads off a little bit, and then move back over to the electric ratchet. I still really have no idea what I'm doing at this stage. I want to take that one all the way out because that's going to want a bit of gentle persuasion. This is my mallet friend. So finally, water pump is out. A bit of banging around with the hammer has finally got it out. It now recommends that I just clean it round to make sure there's nothing left on the inside that will impair with the new one. So I've got a new scrubby, which has gone against Emma's wishes because it's her last one. But all we need to do, watching YouTube videos, so I'm a professional, is just give it a scrub round on the inside to make sure anything that may have stuck or anything like that, we get rid of. So it's nice and clean, like that. Yeah, I like that. Very impressed with myself. However, my fear, I've twisted this and it's not making any noise, which makes me worry that this isn't the pump, but let's get it in and see what happens. One thing they do recommend before you fit the new one is to put some silicone lube around the sill, just to help it slip in nicely, not cause any friction or upset how the rubber goes in. So we'll just add a little bit of lube. Lovely. Like that. And then we'll put it back in. And then evenly do them up. But they feel very fucking snug. So we don't want to over tighten them just for now because we're just pushing it back into where it needs to go. They're all done. So the pump is now back in. It's all tightened down. And I just need to fit these pulleys on. So I fit these pulleys, this pulley on, and then put the belt on, put some more coolant in the reservoir, run it up and see if that's now stopped making a stupid noise. Okay, so coolant is full up and it's still looking all right in there at the moment. Temperature gauge is looking well. Just got to hold on now, run it up to temperature, make sure the fan cuts in, top it up if it needs topping up, and then I can say I've done a thing. And I don't normally do things. I've impressed myself. I have done a thing and it's working right. The fan's cutting in. I've just switched it off. The heaters are lovely and warm. I've done it. That's it. I'm a certified mechanic. That has got to be worth a subscribe. If you are new around here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment and share the video. See you in the next one.